Okay, 30 seconds.
Okay, I'm gonna give it 30 seconds.
This is the sunset. This is what you see with your eyes. This is what you see when we actually zoom in. It's called angular resolution.
Say it again. This is what we see with our eyes over here.
And then we zoomed in at 83x here. And this is what actually happens. See, the sun doesn't set behind the horizon because there is no curve. It simply fades away, like me holding a flashlight and backing away from it.
Do you see that?
Yeah, I
It
see
disappeared.
So you have 30 seconds to learn something that you never knew.
So what's this other one?
Like this one here is from NASA's launch the other day. This is the Dragon launch.
Live
Look up here.
launch.
So if this is a live launch from just a few days ago. I'm not going to tell you what to look for. Just look up here. You'll see it for yourself.
What is this? What am I looking at?
You see that?
Rat?
Yes, in space on top of an engine that's 1,000 degrees.
How the heck is that possible?
Going 17,000 miles an hour.
It's proven that all this is fake. This is just a deception to try to get you to believe the Earth is a globe. It's all CGI and filmed in a studio.
Do you believe the Bible? No.
Ooh. You've got to take this information then.
This one right here is a good one too. So if space is a vacuum and we don't have a barrier, then everything
That's
like
what you're
this is
doing,
what
man.
happens.
Right now, you're spitting in space like this.
That's a rail car.
That's what they say.
Does it feel
Say
like
it
it?
again. Do it again. What did you
Does
say?
it
Say
feel
what you
like
just
spinning
said
in the
though.
hurley?
So if
feel your
we have an
car move,
atmosphere
right?
and the space is a vacuum and there's no barrier
5 miles
between,
per hour.
if you introduce that vacuum,
CD.
that's what happens. We can't have an atmosphere without a barrier next to a vacuum. The second law of
Here you go, man.
thermodynamics
Take
says
this free.
Okay.
It's free.
this here.
Just trying to give you some
All
Here.
this
air.
Give me one
information
too.
on
Now
it.
y'all got me interested.
Oh
This is
my
Antarctica.
goodness.
This is what Antarctica actually
She is
looks like.
interested.
It's a wall.
Question your government.
Think of the Earth as a
Question
lake.
the people who
And the
tell you
continents are olives
that we
and
have to
lakes.
give these people
Antarctica
this year,
surrounds
starting
it,
today,
just like on that map down there.
$61 million
It's an ice
per
wall
day.
that surrounds our Earth. It's the shore of the lake. And we're not allowed to go there. Because in 1961, the Antarctic Treaty says we're not allowed to travel below the 60
Yeah, I know about that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I do. They even people with a lot of money can't have businesses over there or anything. Now tell me why.
So because they don't want us to go there because there might be more land and more resources over there. If there's more land and resources, then we don't have to fight amongst ourselves anymore.
Take this with you.
So tell me. I know more about this barrier. What about it again? You
So
said-
this is an ice wall. This is what it looks like. This is actual footage.
and you said this surrounds the
It
Earth.
surrounds the Earth just like on that map right there.
Okay, so this is the ice wall right here.
And it surrounds the Earth like a shoreline.
Okay.
Yeah, remember they used to call Antarctica the Antarctic Ring or the
Yeah.
Antarctic Circle?
And what happened? Tell me again. You said they don't want us to go there because of what?
There might be more land, more resources beyond there. If you put a rat in a cage, what's the first thing it does?
See what I'm saying?
Looks how to get out.
This,
We've tried to,
what
but we're
goes
not
up
allowed
comes
to.
down.
Okay.
It's the easiest way of, hey, you can't go here. You don't want to go here. It's cold and desolate.
So let me ask you a question then. When we flying in a plane
You don't see it going straight up.
and you have to go, XYZ, are we going around or we just going, like, if we can't go past this wall, what's going
Right, you
on?
can't. No one's ever circumnavigated that direction. We circumnavigated. Here's a good way to look at it.
Okay, so we here and I want to go to Japan.
Yep.
So I'm gonna have to. They say you
No,
can't
No,
go
the
around.
straight
So-
path.
Boat you go.
So if you were on a globe, you would
Uh-huh.
fly like this.
Yeah.
I'm a former pilot. I've
Okay.
taken this route.
Okay.
I've been on a plane. You know how you get to Japan from here?
Uh-huh.
You go like this. Come over. Right
That's why we go to California.
Because they're not going to waste gas.
It's
to
a
go in
straight
crazy
line.
like this. You're going to go in a straight line.
Going up.
And
Okay.
that's how it works.
Tell her about the emergency flight about the pregnant woman who came from Taiwan.
So if they
Or
were
the-
actually going across the globe like this to Japan, they would. If they need to make an emergency landing, they'd be in the middle of the ocean. But when they made the emergency landing, they were over Alaska. Why? Because they're following the straight line.
So this is the ice wall.
Right. It goes around.
Wow. And this is gonna tell everything what you're telling me.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. It sure
Tell
will.
me some more stuff I need to know. 'Cause now I'm interested.
All right.
Well,
I need to know everything.
Here's
No,
what
you
we
won't know
think.
everything.
Oh,
This is NASA astronauts talking to a classroom. They say, hey, do a flip. The guy in the back grabs his harness up there, stabilizes it. She grabs up here to stabilize. He reaches behind him, grabs the wires, and then they're going to show it to you in slow motion.
look at his hand.
He's holding the harness. He grabs the wire.
All because our president wanted to go to the moon before
See how
Russia.
he's pulling the wire up?
okay. I heard three different things. You said all because something about Russia. You said something about the wires. One thing at a time. Tell me again.
Okay, they're going to zoom in right here and show you.
Okay.
Watch him pull this wire. See that?
No.
See that wire he's pulling on?
Why he pull on the wire?
Because they're not actually in space. It's all fake. It's in the studio.
Uh huh.
You don't. If you were in zero gravity, you wouldn't need to be hanging from wires and harness.
Oh, okay. What are they grabbing on then?
The harness system that supports the wires. Because in order to do a flip, you have to stabilize the harness. If you look at her back, as she's walking, you can see the harness move up and down her back. See, as she moves up, the harness moves up her back.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I heard about the moon landing being a fake anyway. How that was in the studio.
Let me just show you this.
And how they do the flag.
If the Earth,
And ain't no wind and gravity.
if the Earth was spinning, right, and you're in an airplane, it would have to fly faster going west.
Yeah, yeah.
And then coming back east, it could fly slower because the Earth would be spinning.
Yeah,
slower.
uh-huh.
See what I'm saying? So, and then how does it land north to south? So it would fall over. So it would only have to be able to land that way, easier, or this way. So if it was north to south, see how that would work? You ever try to get on a merry-go-round spinning while it was spinning at full speed?
Some information is free, guys. Free
And it
DVDs
throws
here.
you out. So how does water stay on this?
3 DVDs.
Spinning. See?
Yeah.
So what's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley.
And y'all know why y'all got me interested?
Why?
Because I'm a science teacher.
Good.
For where?
Yes.
For who?
E.L. Wright Middle School.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Need to get your information.
Yeah. We need to link up.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
interesting.
yes. Because do you know the scientific method, Ashley? Can I ask you?
Yes.
What is a scientific method?
So they always tell us the problem, hypothesis. Now why you asking me this?
Because you're wrong.
Okay.
Well, tell me there's basically three.
Observation.
Okay, observation of what?
Whatever the issue is or the problem.
Okay, so observe a natural phenomena. Is that the first one?
That's what they usually tell us.
You can't just look at this and say, "Oh, I'm observing this." No, there's nothing happening. You know, they say about gravity is a theory, and everyone does this, right? But if you see the apple fall, that's a phenomena, right? But you can easily predict what happened, the cause and effect. The scientific method gets the cause of the effect. So you see the apple fall, right? You hypothesize, okay, maybe the wind blew it. Well, you can go through all kind of steps. You hypothesize, then you go through experimentation to prove whether or not you
Hypothesis
validate
right or
your
wrong.
hypothesis, right? But what if you had a seed and you say that the seed was planted, the tree grew, the branch came out, made an apple, and as it got older and ripe, it fell because the apple was heavier than the air, more dense than the air, and it fell to the ground to meet its equilibrium point. You see?
Yeah.
But scientists don't know that, and you're a science teacher.
Yeah, they don't teach us none of that.
They don't.
I know.
Okay, Ashley, it's been wonderful to meet you. E.L. Wright, I
Yeah.
coached
Let me get a
Blythewood Middle School soccer team.
Okay, I got one of these.
Brochures and cards to give her so she can look up the information, guys. Oh, she's got that too. Oh, take another one. Give it to your
Share it
students.
with someone.
I got this. stuff.
Cards, some
So
cards.
is all of this on here? I need to study
You'll-
this for myself and then talk with y'all because this is crazy. Because what we've
This
been
has a lot
taught
of
in school.
information.
Do you go to
and what
YouTube?
Not really, but I can.
Yeah, he is that flat fellow.
Well, you need to write that on here.
Does
I'm
anyone have a
gonna be
pen?
actually doing my own
It's
research.
on
I
the
really don't
back
go
of
out what
this.
people say, but
It gives you
That
the,
is correct.
the science curvature formula that it's supposed to be.
You don't even know what a curvature formula is, do you?
no.
8 inches per mile squared,
Okay.
right? Look at that and figure out that we're not supposed
Put it
to
on
see.
here. Put yeah.
Oh, you got a pen? Oh, yeah, we'll get it for you. Please sub to his channel because we have like 400 more to go before he
Is
can
that
live
why they
stream.
trying to debunk the myth that the Earth is flat? They keep
Yes.
Yes,
trying to-
Neil
Now,
deGrasse Tyson, Obama,
Yeah.
all those
Now let me
boys.
tell y'all, or let me not tell y'all, but let me ask y'all this: what do y'all think about? Because you asked me, one of y'all asked me about something about the Bible. Why you asked me
Bible. My
that?
husband did, yeah.
Why you asked me that?
Well, because there's over 200 scriptures in the Bible
This
that
is-
show that
Hola.
the
This is me and my
earth is
wife.
flat.
Information?
And then
You want some
let him write his
information?
stuff on
It's
the
free.
back of that.
Okay.
Here, there's a
So
CD
do
right
y'all
there.
believe in
Christy,
it? Do
CD.
y'all believe
We
it?
do.
We don't just
There's some
believe
of
it,
us
we
that
know it.
don't.
Here's the difference. We know this is true. It's not whether we believe it or
I'm not talking about this. I'm
No,
talking
the
about the Bible.
Bible.
Oh,
The
we believe,
scriptures
I
in
believe the
the
Bible
Bible.
100%.
You don't think that that's
I believe that man.
taken by a whole bunch of
I
different?
believe
Hey, how are you?
Family
Any questions? Just take a look real quick. It's a truth wall is right here.
The Mandela
Press on that 30-second, 15-second video. It explains to you things that you want to see visually.
If we weren't to believe that writing, how can I believe it?
Just press on the play.
Well,
If I was to tell you
The thing is, how can you believe anything?
Well, if I
How do
wrote-
we know this not even real? This is not even a reality right now.
Because the movies-
conscience in your heart, you kind of like read it.
all programming.
Yes, it is. So that's what I'm saying. So why do y'all tell me like you believe
He's a
in?
master researcher as far as he takes bits and
There's
pieces
the
and
reason-
goes back from the beginning. Way
Here's why
back.
I believe the Bible is true.
The cipher
Because
Bible,
everything
the
you
original.
read in the Bible, it's all coming true at the end. Now you'll say, but man might have mapped that out, right? But there's certain, I've lived and seen miracles happen in my eyes. So I was born and seen them in my life. My mother.
So you believe everything in there? I mean, I know everybody got their
Do I
own
believe
belief.
everything in there?
You're a
Yeah,
scientist.
pretty much.
Can we
I
ask
don't
you?
believe in it though. That's just my
Yeah.
personal
It's-
opinion. I
We're
know.
not-
I
we're
know.
not- we're not mad at
Do you
you.
believe in a creation though versus
I
evolution?
believe in a higher power.
Okay, that's a start.
That's a story.
And my
That's
higher
not-
power is like an energy form.
Okay,
That's what
yes,
we
that's
believe
exactly
too. That's
what
what
he
God
is.
is.
Well, you put a
Because he gave us our breath
a
of
gender.
life.
I don't put a gender on it.
Oh,
Right.
you don't?
No.
Because she's a
Everybody
scientist
believes-
and
Right,
she's
I got you.
She, and
We
I don't
understand.
believe-
We understand that fully. I understand what you're
We
saying.
only say he because being Christians, we're taught that he is our father. We come
It's a
from
he,
him. He
father.
created
That's what we
us.
do.
So
We're
that's
not
why
trying
we
to
call
attack
it-
anybody else's belief.
No,
or
no,
But
anything.
the
I know
energy,
I get that.
you're right. It does. The energy itself does not have a he or she on it. Yeah, because he is everything. He is everything and everything and all of everything. And
I think
Do you know other science teachers and things around,
Really?
you know,
That's phenomenal.
District
I
1?
love that.
Say it again.
Do you know other science teachers around, you know, like, because, you know,
Around what I think?
there's 7 schools in our district.
In
you
District
know.
2?
Yeah, 2, I'm sorry, yeah, because we're at Blythewood.